Welcome back with a new math tutorial. In this video we are talking about inequalities. At the first, what is the meaning of the inequality? Inequality is comparing between two quantities. One of them is greater than the other one. If you remember the equation, we said that we have equality of two terms, or mathematical statement with equal sign. It means the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. But for the inequality, we have one side is greater than the other one. So in question number 1, we need to determine whether the number is the solution of the inequality or not. We have an inequality which is f plus 2 is less than 9. We need to check that 6, 7 and 8 are one of the solution or not. So all what we have to do, we just try. By using substitution, we will check for 6. Now I will replace the variable with 6. So can we say that 6 plus 2 is it less than 9? 6 plus 2 equals 8. 8 is smaller than 9, so it will be one of the solutions. So 6 will be one of the solution. Now we check for 7. Can we say that 7 plus 2, it is smaller than 9? 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 9 is not smaller than 9, so it will be wrong. It means 7 is not one of the solution. Now we need to check for 8. 8 plus 2, it is smaller than 9. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10 is not less than 9, so it means 8 now is not one of the solution. So the only solution that we have now, which is 6. Again in question number 2. In question number 2, we have n minus 3 is greater than 6. We need to find that 8, 9 or 10, one of the solution. Now I will check for 8. And instead of n, I will just replace it with 8. So 8 minus 3, is it more than 6? 8 minus 3 equals 5. 5 is not more than 6, so it will be wrong answer. It means 8 is not one of the solution. Now I will check for 9. 9 minus 3, is it more than 6? 9 minus 3 equals 6. 6 is not more than 6, so it will not be one of the solution. Now I will check for 10. 10 now minus 3 is equal to 7, and 7 is greater than 6. It means it will be one of the solution. So the solution now will be equals to 10. In question number 3, we have 9 plus a less than 17. We need to find that 7, 8 and 9 is one of the solution or not. At the first, I will start by substitution with 7. So instead of a, I will replace it with 7. 9 plus 7, it is smaller than 17. 9 plus 7 equal to 16. 16 is less than 17, so it will be right answer. So 7, one of the solution. Now I will check for 8. So 8, instead of a, I will replace it with 8. So 9 plus 8 is smaller than 17. 9 plus 8 equal to 17. 17 is not less than 17. It will not be one of the solution. Now we will check for 9. And instead of a, I will just replace it with 9. 9 plus 9, if it is smaller than 17, you will find that it will be wrong. It means 9 not one of the solution. And that's how can we check if the number is one of the solution or not. In this question we need to find, is the given value the solution of the inequality or not? X plus 3 more than 9, and the x is equals to 4. And instead of x, we just replace it with 4. So 4 plus 3, is it more than 9? 4 plus 3 equals 7. And the 7 is not more than 9, so it will not be one of the solution. Again in question number 10. 12 less than or equals to 18 minus y. Less than or equal, so I will accept the two choices. 12 is less than the answer, or 12 is equal to the answer. Once you find that less than or equal, it's mean equal will be counted one of the solution. So instead of y, I will just replace it with 6. So 12 less than or equals 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6 is equals to 12. Can we say that 12 is less than or equal to 12? Yes, we can say that 12 is equals to 12. Once we have or, we can choose one of the two choices, equal or less than, so it will be one of the solution. Again in question number 11. 17 is more than or equal 11 plus x. As we said in number 10, I have now two choices. More than or equal. More than will be accepted and the equal also will be accepted. So instead of x, I will just replace it with 8. So it will be equal. 17 is more than or equals 11 plus 8. 11 plus 8 is equal to 19. So 17 is not more than or equal to 19. It means it's not one of the solution. In question number 12, we have a plus 7 more than 15. And instead of a, I will just replace it with 9. 9 plus 7 more than 15. 9 plus 7 equal to 16. 16 will be more than 15, so it will be one of the solution. And that's how can we find if the number is one of the solution or not.